They land on the edge of the can, and it can be full of garbage. Like I'm talking 30 pounds, 40 pounds of garbage in there. And they knock it over, and then they
We're at D Lake Resort, staying for 2 nights. Yeah. Rob, there's a squirrel on your boat. Woo! Went over it. It's in a heritage cottage. There's quite a few of them here for rent, and it's $55 a night. And it's pretty cozy. A wood stove, a 2-burner camp stove, no fridge, no bathroom, no inside bathroom, just an outhouse. D Lake is part of a chain of 4 lakes. There's D, Island Lake, Deer Lake, and Crooked Lake. There are some limited campgrounds. I think there's 4 sites on the lake. There's also some luxury cabins, and they are $150 a night. You can rent boats, I think for $70 a day. You can rent kayaks for $15 an hour. There is some limited supplies that you can buy at the office. Dessert! Interesting. It's pretty darn good. Corned beef. The manager in the office is quite the character. Pretty funny. Very friendly. Very helpful here.
I don't know. Sure. Yeah, totally. It's insane.
It's pretty quiet. It's pretty nice. Pretty serene right now. Anyways, I'd recommend staying here for sure. It's very peaceful, very lovely.
It's excellent. Good luck out there. All right.
That was enjoyable. Would you go back?
Oh, yeah.
Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile. You're gonna see it through your wings. I'm gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no. Well, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile. You're gonna see it through your wings. I'm gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.
You'll see little shreds of toilet paper.
Oh.
And we have like toilet paper covers, like the little ones that you see in public outhouses.
Yeah.
But those squirrels have figured out how to get up inside, and they do this, and then they just shred it, and it looks like a bomb went off, and it's like confetti.